First, start by turning off your computer. Then, unplug the power cable from your power supply. Then, locate your SSD and place it into the chassis possibly included with your computer. Once you have done so, place the chassis into the proper slot in your computer, usually the smaller one. Locate your SATA power cable, the one that looks like a very elongated L, and place it into the back of your SSD, usually in the larger slot. Locate your SATA data transfer cable and plug it into the selected slot on your motherboard along with the back of your SSD, like so. In order to see if the process has worked, turn on your PC. In order to view your new SSD, open File Explorer and look for a new storage medium. Mine has already come pre-named, yours may not be. Thank you for watching, everyone. I hope you got something out of this, and that you keep tuned on my channel for new tech videos.